Hey guys, it's Sanjay here and welcome back to my channel. So right now we are on the Manas Rhino or the New Boeing to Guwahati special train, and we are boarding this train to Guwahati, and as you can see from the thumbnail itself that we are finally going to Shillong. So guys, I have been planning for this trip for quite a few months, but it wasn't really possible because of the COVID-19 issue, as you all know, and for all the restrictions that we were not able to go and travel all the places around. So finally we have made this trip to Shillong, and let's see how it goes from the here to Shillong. And we are going to be showing the entire journey from the Guwahati to Shillong and how we get the cabs and all, so that you get a reference and idea about how to get cabs for yourself if you are traveling to Shillong by yourself or your family. Yeah, so come with us guys. We are really excited for this trip, guys. So guys, the train is finally departed and we are on the way to Guwahati, and there are some of the important information that I want to let you know about traveling, guys, especially traveling to Meghalaya, since we are traveling there today. So you have to carry your documents like identity proof or documents like PAN card, voter ID and Aadhaar card, along with the rapid antigen test, RT-PCR, according to the place and the situation of the place that you're traveling. And for traveling Meghalaya or Shillong, you also need an application that Meghalaya Tourism, which enables you to make an e-pass over there. And yeah, so you have to make the e-pass in order to enter Meghalaya. And I will show you the process of how to make an e-pass on that particular application on a different video. I will make a separate video for that. And yeah, so I'm just a little bit tired just because I woke up so early in this morning, and I'm just gonna have to take a quick nap right now, and see you after we reach Guwahati, guys. So guys, we finally reached the Guwahati station. I hope I'm looking presentable because I slept in the train and I'm looking really messy right now. So yeah, I hope I'm presentable right now. And right now we're just gonna be going down from this station, and then we'll be searching for a place to eat, and then we'll be searching a cab for us to drop to Shillong. And let's show you how the cab fares to Shillong from here actually is, guys. So yeah, come with us, guys. So guys, right now we are headed towards down and looking for some place to eat, and then we will be searching a cab for us to deliver to Shillong. And yeah, so keep with us, guys. So we finally got a sumo, guys, and we have to pay like 300 per person, and it will drop us to Shillong Police Bazaar or wherever we want. And yeah, you can get this kind of sumos or taxis, whatever you call it, right outside the station. Yeah, so they will be like standing outside in order to welcome you, and to travel you to Shillong and stuff. Yeah, however, the taxi price is a little bit more than the what do you call that? Taxi sumos, right? Sumo. Yeah. So the sumo is a little bit cheaper than the taxis. So you have to pay like 300 per person when you go to a sumo, but you have to pay like 400 to 500. Yeah, 400 to 500 when you go in a taxi, guys. Yeah. So guys, finally we got the permission to go inside Shillong. So basically right now we are in the midway on the way to Shillong, and there is a COVID center over here where you have to prove your identities and your recent vaccinations and your second dose and everything else. And after checking all those, if you are good, then they let you go, and they give you this kind of a ticket, so that yeah. So right now we are heading back to Shillong, guys.
सूरत बम्बई पार करके ना, सूरत के बाद सुन देखो, सूरत बम्बई पार करके ये पूरा पहले ट्रेन भी चला है ना।
So guys, we stopped by in the middle of the road, way to Shillong, just for a treat, and we are gonna be having something over here because we are a little bit hungry because I didn't have anything in the morning since I woke up so early. Yeah, so we will be like having some snacks over here, and then we'll be proceeding towards our journey, guys. And we are having our snacks too in this beautiful hotel, and as you can see, yeah, guys. So let's go ahead, guys. So guys, we have decided finally what we are going to eat over here. So we have ordered two chola bhatures, chola bhatura. Yeah. So we have ordered two of that, and then yeah, that's the only thing that we're gonna be having right here. And then we'll be having our lunch in Shillong itself. So yeah, that's just a snack for us to go through the road. So guys, we're having chola bhature at the moment, and by the time we're done with here, then we'll be proceeding back to our journey, guys, and we will proceed into Shillong again.
ini ekdom gua naik ase
Video call korim naki?
neng 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 neng
मैंने वॉमिटिंग आ जाएगा और आएगा इसलिए वो गिर गिर
So guys, we finally reached our hotel and we checked in. Yeah, so the sumo that we came and they dropped us in the what you call city hotel or civil hotel. Sorry, civil hospital. So they dropped us in the civil hospital, and from there we came to Rinja by boarding a taxi. And the taxi fare was really not that expensive or not that cheap. It took like how much 150, right? 150 along with all our baggages or and all our luggages and the two of us. So yeah, right now we just came to Rinja, and the name of the hotel is like what do you call that? Travelers Inn, right? Hotel Travelers Inn. Yeah, and so it is really cheap, and I booked this hotel room on Ibibo. And compared to all the other sites like booking.com or Make My Trip, goibibo.com has provided us the most cheapest fare of this room, while where in the other websites it is like so much. So I am really thankful to goibibo.com, and we are just checking right now, and right now I'm just gonna have to take a shower, and then we will get freshened up, and then we will visit the rest of the Shillong. So stay with us. So guys, this is our hotel room where we're gonna be staying for this couple of days that we are traveling to Shillong and exploring the place. Basically, we have two single beds, but we just arranged it to a single one, so that yeah, it becomes a one king size bed, and it also has a window over here which is pretty large, but the view is not that great from here, by the way. So yeah, everything is good except for the view of this window, and the hygiene and the cleanliness of the room is like top notch, guys. It is really beautiful, and I'm really impressed about this hotel at this cheaper rate, because this is like not that expensive hotel. I'm not gonna tell you the price though. So this is not the expensive hotel, and in this fare we got this kind of amazing room, so cleanliness, so hygienic room in this cheaper fare. So this is like really lucky for us. As I already said, I booked this hotel room from ibibo.com, and you should, if you travel anywhere, I think you should consider ibibo.com, and I just recommend you to that. So right now I'm just gonna be freshened up, and then put some new clothes, and then we're gonna be exploring the rest of the Shillong from here, guys. So guys, we finally reached Police Bazaar this evening, and it took us so long because of the traffic. We were like waiting in the traffic for like more than 1 hour, right? Yeah, so we were waiting in the traffic for more than 1 hour in the taxi. I literally fell asleep over there. So yeah, it took literally some time for us to come over here. Yeah, so right now we are just going ahead and looking for a restaurant where we can find some vegetarian cuisine in order to fill ourselves tonight, and we're gonna be heading towards the restaurant in order to have our dinner, guys.
मेरे लोग की खाया है
Okay.
साथा खाई लोग की मैंने महंगा रखे
So guys, we are really hungry at the moment, and we have ordered, what do you call this? Egg roll. Yeah, because we intend to have no meat in this place. So yeah, you know why. So yeah, we are gonna be ordering a egg roll, and we're gonna be dividing that into half, and that's gonna be like helping us for until we have our dinner tonight. Yeah, so we're gonna be having this, and then we'll be having our dinner tonight in a few moments, guys.
आइए रोल अंदर हाफ कर देंगे ना
हाँ, इसको हाफ में हाफ कर दीजिए. Right now, so we are having sweet corn with pickle, guys. This is like the sweet corn that is mixed up with some pickles and some seasonings. Yeah. It's really good, guys. So guys, we just had some snacks just in order to settle our stomach for some time. But right now we are looking for a vegetarian restaurant for us to have dinner over there, and then we'll be heading to our hotel room because we are really hungry at the moment and a little bit tired as well. So there's not much to do. We'll just explore Police Bazaar today and show you how this place actually is like, and then we'll be having dinner in this here. And then we'll be heading back to our hotel.
और ये सब कुछ कितना होता है ये सब
So guys, this is the perfect place to get souvenirs for your family members. If you travel here, you can get like list of things for your family members from here itself. It's like really vast amount of things present over here, and it's also like really cheap at the moment. And I think you should come over here as well, guys. It's located in the Police Bazaar itself.
नहीं होगा
नहीं भैया कौन नहीं 150 एकदम
लड़कों के लिए कुछ ही नहीं है
लेग चाहिए
ভালো লাগছে না বস্তুটা বলো
ज़्यादा ले
ये वाला ये काट तो अच्छा नहीं है ওইটা আছে নি ভর্তি কোয়ালিটি ওটা আছে
So guys, finally we are able to find, a restaurant for ourselves to eat dinner tonight. Yeah, because the rest of the Shillong is filled with meat and some non-edible meat as well. So we were searching for this kind of hotel just in order to eat dinner tonight. And we are able to find a Marwari hotel here, and they serve the best thali. And yeah, so we're gonna be having our dinner right here, and then we'll be heading back to our hotel room because we are really tired and we just wanna go bed as soon as possible. And tomorrow the rest of the video will be done, and we're gonna be visiting more places tomorrow. But since there is no time today, so we'll be just eating our dinner tonight here, and then we'll be heading back to our hotel, guys. So guys, we are in the police bazaar right now, and we are going back to our hotel, which is in Rimja. Yeah. So we are done with our dinner, and we also grabbed some of the sweets and Black Forest cake and 2 muffins as well for our midnight cravings. Just in case if we get hungry and don't have anything to eat. So yeah, we just got some of that, and that's all for today's vlog, guys. Because we are really tired, we didn't have any time to rest in our hotel room because it was late already. So we had to move outside as soon as possible because we have to get home before 9 p.m. Yeah. So right now we're just headed towards the hotel, and yeah, that is where we will be ending today's vlog. And tomorrow we will be starting our new vlog right from the morning itself. So guys, we are back in the hotel room. Yeah, in one piece, guys. Yeah, but we are really tired. However, we ate our dinner in the police bazaar itself in a Marwari hotel. The food was like so delicious, and yeah, I like to eat vegetarian food most of the time. And that's all we ate for and we also brought some cakes and muffins for the midnight cravings. And because it's the hotel, right, and it's not our home, we don't have a fridge of our own, no foods, so we just have to prepare ourselves for the night if we get hungry at night. So yeah, so we have to bring something for that as well, guys. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna get freshened up, then go back to sleep, guys. So that's all for today, guys. So guys, if you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the bell notification as well, guys. And see you in the next video, that is tomorrow, guys, because I'm gonna be uploading these videos in a episode kind of thing. Yeah, so every single day. So yeah, guys, so see you in the next video, guys. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.